Hey everyone! Ever wondered what's inside those shiny solar panels on rooftops? Well, let me introduce you to a game changer, ultrafine quartz powder. This isn't just any powder. It's super pure and ground down to microscopic particles. Why does that matter? Because it boosts the efficiency of solar cells like crazy. Quartz powder helps create a smoother, more conductive surface for the silicon layers. That means less energy loss and more sunlight converted into electricity. It's also incredibly durable, making panels last longer even in harsh weather. Plus, it's eco-friendly. Using natural quartz reduces the need for synthetic materials. Manufacturers love it because it streamlines production and cuts costs. Imagine solar panels that are cheaper, more efficient, and greener, all thanks to this powder. It's a small ingredient with a huge impact on our renewable energy future. So next time you see a solar panel, remember the magic of ultrafine quartz. Ready to harness the sun's power better? This is how we do it. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious and go green.